Alright guys, this is John with Louisiana Aquaponics. Alright, so today we got a cold front that came in yesterday evening. Rained all day yesterday, which is not surprising. Anyway, so it is awesome out here. It's beautiful, it's cool. It's probably about 65 degrees, and that is a killer, considering that just 2 days ago we were 94. So today I'm gonna try to, I got the husband out here. We're gonna try to cut down some of these trees, and let me show you what we got. So I want to take this one out right here. As you can see, it's off, and it's got this split, this branch that runs this way, and then I got this other one behind it, and you know, back here, and then I got them back there, right there, and you know, I got several of them. So I'm gonna go as deep as I can and try to cut out as many, and use that new thumb and try to get as many of these things knocked down as I can. So some of them are pretty tall, especially back here. These back here, they go up, they're up there. So, you know, but anyway, since it's nice and cool, I'm gonna try to get some of these cut down and chopped up. And then that way all I got to deal with is the stumps. So, but all right guys, let's let me set up and let's see how this goes. Well, as you can see guys, that one went really quick. So let's break out that thumb, snatch some of this stuff up, and get it the heck out of here. All right, guys. Well, that's one. Now we're gonna shoot for that one right there. See if we can take it down. Alright guys, so we got it all delimbed and I got pretty much of it split up to this point right here. So I got this whole piece right here, way back there. So what I'm gonna try, I'm gonna bring the tractor around here, grab onto it with the thumb, see if I can at least lift it up enough to block it, and then work my way back until it's all cut up. Well, all right, guys, so you seen I was able to actually pick up that trunk. Couldn't swing it very well. I slide it out, but was able to maneuver it fairly easy without ever putting my hands on it and get it all cut up using that thumb. Alright guys, well, got it cleared up. One of the things I did learn, a little trick with that thumb, is that if you put it just about a half inch off the ground and open your bucket to curl all the way out, you can kind of bulldoze everything backwards, you know, in reverse of your tractor into a pile, and then snatch onto it, close that bucket around it, and then jerk all of it up. So it is very workable. Absolutely love it, hands down. They did awesome. Ryan, man, huge thumbs up. I cannot believe how functional, how easy that thumb is. Man, this thing is just beautiful. You really outdid yourself, and I greatly appreciate having it on my tractor. Made a world of difference. See it in the video. All right, guys. Well, this is John with Louisiana Aquaponics, and I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. I got a couple of other projects I got to do in town, so that's going to be a 2 or 3 hour drive, and by the time I get back here, it's going to be dark. So we're calling it for a day today, and y'all have a good week or weekend, whichever one it is, when I get this video posted up.